Next up is factory navigation. So, as I mentioned, factory navigation is not going to be standard inside of the screen, but it is available optionally from the factory or replacing the whole screen aftermarket. Searching for an address is straightforward. So you can search by GPS coordinates by going latitude, longitude. You can start typing in an address. You can search by point of interest icons there if you want to. Just going to select one. There we go. And as you can see there, a series of different options that are available. So I'm just going to select one of these ones. As you can see, I can save it or just hit start in order to go to that destination.
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
There we go. So you could exit out if you want to. You could zoom in and out that way, change up your heading along the bottom right side. If you wanted to mute guidance, so as you're coming to upcoming turns, turn yes or no, you could mute those if you want. You can push this little menu button to cancel the route, traffic list, look at notification settings. You can view the full route if you want to. As you can see there, full route. You can detour out if you wanted to. So it's going to give you detour options that are available. So you've got a few different options that are available there. Search for addresses, history, and a few other things. So moving back out, if you wanted to, you can cancel the route from this screen too. And when you do that, it cancels it out simply. Boom. You can go to menu now, again, different settings. So the big ones here, screen view if you wanted full map or exit info for the highway. Traffic list, whether or not that one shows up as you drive, yay, nay. Navigation settings. Okay, so there's a few different ones here, but the big one will be in route preferences. But the neat one here is breadcrumbs. So with this one turned on, as you start to go and start driving around, you're going to notice little dots on all the areas that you've gone to. So it's essentially, think like Hansel and Gretel, so it shows you the different places that you've been. Route preferences, you can use either the fastest, the shortest, or the most eco-friendly route. And then other ones to look at. Avoid things. There we go. Do you want to avoid freeways, toll roads, tunnels, and things like that? So I'd say those would be the big ones to really worry about, and then that's going to dynamically update your route based off of what you've chosen. So if you wanted to avoid toll roads, you can select that. Other one, navigation. So it's the same idea with the prompts. Do you want to get voice and tone, strictly a voice, or strictly a tone when you come to an upcoming turn? Okay, and next one, home and work address. So if you set up a home or work address, you can hit the voice command prompt and you can say navigate home, navigate to work, whatever the case may be. And that'll navigate to whatever addresses you've saved there. And we did look at some options there too. So we've got a few different ones there. So you could delete out if you wanted to delete your history of places that you've gone to. It's just a general safety setting. But that's the basics of factory navigation. There's not a ton to it. Like I said, you can do a little bit to it here. You can kind of do a drag and drop if you wanted to figure out the rough area that you have to go to as well. It's just kind of neat, but just hit start, back home, really simple.